I usually find deals that are $10 or under whenever it comes to tech stuff, but I did find something pretty cool for around $30. I think I spent $32.87. I wish it was 6-7 cents so I could make it the meme stick even more. But let's open this keyboard case and mouse combo for the brand new A11 Plus that I bought. When I originally bought this, I thought it just came with the folio case, but I guess it comes with the folio case, folio case, and a mouse, which is a very cool thing for me because I can make this more of a laptop. Oh, something fell. It was just a USB type C. So we have the mouse right here, I think. Wow, that is a very small mouse. Let's look at it real quick though. So on the package, it's white, and right here it's black, but on the other previous package, wherever I threw it down to, is also black. Very weird packaging. Did they even mark it? No, they didn't even mark it. Color black in Chinese. I don't know Chinese as much as I wish I knew Chinese, but whatever. The main attraction is this right here. It has a user manual, and I'll probably read that pretty darn soon. But right now, I just want to open it up and take a look at it real quick. The folio keyboard is, well, a folio keyboard. But this one can come out. Do a lot of them come out? I'm not actually 100% sure if they come out or not, but it does look pretty darn good. And I guess I will try setting it up right now. Okay, I think I got it set up now. You can see the cursor. The folio keyboard is set up. This looks pretty darn alright. Let's get into like YouTube just to try it out. Open up YouTube. Got it. I'm not going to allow any notifications. So for some reason it wants to load a long time. So let's just try something else. It decided to work with Samsung DeX, but yeah, I guess I have a computer now that decides it wants to work. I was going to save this for a different video, but we might as well have it for right now. It kind of looks weird because I had to force it in there, and it kind of looks like it's about to like break my entire thing. So I guess I'm going to go without this stylus pin being right there, but we do have one. This did not come with any charge outside the box, so I will have to try this at a later date to tell you how good it is with this setup. Let's look for a drawing pad. Drawing pad. One thing I haven't figured out yet is that the keys are supposed to light up, but I have no way of figuring that out right now. So for now, let's just get a sketchbook. That's a really good app. You think I would look for something that looks like a flashlight to turn it on, but I guess not. Ooh, purple looks pretty. The best note-taking app, in my personal opinion, is Obsidian. Let's type something out, I guess. Education importance on... I accidentally messed up. It's going to take some time for me to get used to this device, but I do like how you can have Samsung DeX or Nex or whatever it's freaking called, and the regular iOS Android running at the exact same time, so that's pretty nifty. Is this the next ultimate setup for me? I don't know. I'll let you know later in my life. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them down in the comment section below. If you do like this style of video, please like and subscribe. And if you did not like this video,